Welcome! If you're looking to enable microphone permissions for Instagram on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to record voice messages, join live streams, or use audio features, making sure Instagram can access your microphone is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow Instagram to ask for microphone permission on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page. At the top of the page, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu with more options. From this menu, look for the option labeled App Info and click on it. This will take you to the settings page specific to the Instagram app. Once you're in the App Info section, find and select More Settings and Permissions. This is where you can control what the Instagram app can access on your device. Now, scroll through the list until you see Microphone. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram can use your microphone. Next to Microphone, you'll see a few options. Choose Ask. By selecting this, you're telling your PC to prompt you for permission whenever Instagram wants to access your microphone. This way, you stay in control and can decide each time whether to allow or deny access. That's it. With these steps, you've set up Instagram to ask for microphone permission before using it. This is a great way to keep your privacy protected while still enjoying all the features Instagram has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a little help navigating the new update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Instagram with your microphone permissions set just the way you want them.